in a nice big pumpkin, and I have a nice big crown, and I really do like my pumpkin, and I like the little nose, and it's really funny, and my pumpkin is funny because he has shiny glasses.
Go ahead.
I like my pumpkin because it has a crown and like these kind of eyeballs just like the glasses, and it has still the same glasses as the eyes, and then it has a triangle and it has a mustache, and then it's a square pumpkin, and then it has like a happy mouth to make it scared. I put the sound on him because it'll make him look silly and funny.
Yeah.
I like this pumpkin because it has teeth and triangle nose and a witch hat and some glasses and some eyebrows. I like my pumpkin because it has glasses and a nose and a mustache.
Go ahead. Nice snack.
I like this pumpkin because it has glasses and a beard. I like this pumpkin because it has a Santa hat.
Go ahead.
My pumpkin is square and it is kind of yellow and it's got fluff and
Just like you, right?
it's kind of a little smiley. I put a nose up there and then a cap, and then I put glasses up there and I painted something blue. And then it says my favorite. It says I have a hat and a mustache and some star glasses, I think.
Okay, go.
I like it because it has hands. It's a nose and a mouth and eyes and glasses and a hat. I like my pumpkin because it has glasses and a crown and a mustache and teeth.
Anything else that you want to say?
Pumpkin.
Tell me about it.
It is a big one pumpkin.
It sure is.
They ate that one. I like my pumpkin because it has that hat and it smells